Alright. So this is Mario again, and sorry if I'm a little quiet this morning. It's Saturday. And I kind of got a late start, as you can see. Alright, today, I'm going to be showing you how you can just turn an everyday light, like this one, into a ceiling fan. All you need is 4 cardboard blades. This is the 4th. And you need a key. The key is what it'll pivot on. Then it acts like a perfect flywheel, although it might be unstable for some uses. I don't know how to stabilize it yet. But the key only slides to the end. That's what's making it unstable. So you need some materials needed, include a light that has a magnet on the back. So this light right here would be perfect for it. How are you? No, not that way. This light, I'll quickly demonstrate to you that it won't work. It's got too much volume and weight, so the key won't be able to support it. However, it can support this one, so you need a small light. And 4 or 5 cardboard blades. Doesn't really matter the number as long as you got at least 3. This one even out the bounds like I did with this one, so that ceiling fan won't wobble. And yeah, if you have a piece of cardboard that hasn't been cut up yet, you gotta cut it into as many sections you can. So the blades are about, you take certain measurements. So, you want the blades to be about, measure this one here. Your blades should be, so here's the measurement for the blades. So, just like this blade, your blade should be blade should be 9 inches of length, and the thickness should be about 2 inches, which is the width and not like the thickness through it. So it's length 9 inches and thickness, width 2 inches. You need to make sure they measure exactly up to that. Alright, now we're going to assemble. You need some tape for this. You tape each blade onto the light. Make sure they're an equal distance from each other in order to have the best balance and air movement. So let's get started. Having the white side of the blades face down. Pro tip is to have a little bit of the blade on the light, not all of it off the edge. Otherwise it will have a major droop to it. While it appears to be creating lots of weight on one side, what I'm about to do... Sorry if you couldn't hear that, but what I'm about to do is going to even this out. Blade on the other side now, so it's even. And yeah, it can be used with a light kit because it's on a light. However, you need to make an additional light pull chain for that. Now you may notice the blades are loose. This next step should fix that factor. And except for the pull chains, there you have it. I'll give you a quick demo. Except for the key released, it runs real beautifully. Thank you for watching.